Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by creating a Binance account on desktop using a valid email and strong password. Confirm your email and add a phone number for basic protection. Next, complete identity verification with a government photo ID and a live selfie to raise fiat and withdrawal limits and comply with KYC. Expect identity review to take minutes to a few days. Finally, enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app. Save backup codes and enter the 6-digit code at each login to secure your account. To buy crypto, click Wallet, then Fiat and Spot. Choose Deposit and select Bank Transfer, Credit Card, or P2P depending on your region. Follow on-screen steps and required verifications. For instant purchases, use the Buy Crypto card or third-party gateway. Note credit card transactions often incur around a 2% fee, while spot trading fees start at 0.1% maker and taker. For best price control, place a limit order in trade or use market for instant execution. Always review slippage, fee estimates, and minimum amounts before confirming. After purchase, check your spot wallet to view balances and trading history. For long-term storage, move funds to a hardware wallet using the appropriate network to avoid loss. When withdrawing to an external address, always choose the correct blockchain network, confirm the network fee displayed, and paste the destination wallet address precisely. Send a small test amount first if unsure. Finally, enable withdrawal whitelist. Require email confirmations for withdrawals. Maintain a strong, unique password. Keep 2FA active, and periodically review account activity to minimize risk.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.